guys, thanks for your time. I'm Big Al, owner of Safe Travel RV, upgrades, tips, and tricks. I'm here in North Georgia. I am a nationally certified RV inspector. I've had RVs for years. I've done a lot of traveling. I created this channel for one reason and one reason only. That's for you out there to have the best RV experience that you can possibly have. Time is important. You don't want to waste it. So quickly, I'm going to tell you, number one thing I see when I'm camping and RVing across the country with RVers is that they've gotten too much information. They're not sure what to believe, what to do, how to fix, where to go, and they throw their hands up. All right, we're going to end that right now. You subscribe to my channel, you watch my videos. I'm going to show you how to cut through the stuff and get things done and focus on having a good time with your RV and your family. If you guys are ready for that, then let's go do it.